Hello, this is Brian Resney, president of Resney Wealth Management. It's question and answer day, and I'm going to go to one of the questions that I received. Actually, I should say I receive often, but it's generally speaking about how the equity markets work or the stock market. Some years are up and some years are down, and what often happens after kind of an average or mediocre year. While there are no guarantees to the future, statistically speaking and historically speaking, we usually see when we have kind of a year that's somewhat flattish to down, we often see a reversion to the mean, and meaning the next year typically is up and could be up a double-digit kind of return. Again, that's no guarantee to the future. Areas that we are looking at for 2016 are the small and mid cap again. And the reason for that is these are the bigger earnings drivers. Earnings push equity prices higher. The faster the earnings, the better the earnings, often equity prices follow. So we see small and mid cap leading that charge. We have a strong dollar, which has a headwind for larger cap companies. But again, it doesn't mean large cap companies are going to do poorly. It just means they may lag a little bit small and mid cap, which generally speaking have lagged the last 2 years. So what that means is reversion to the mean essentially is, will we have a catch up in return with small cap stocks in the U.S. and mid cap? I firmly believe so. I still feel there's more tailwinds ahead and headwinds headwinds for the emerging market economies. And I firmly believe that Europe's doing okay, doing better, but not great. I think 2016 is going to be another banner year, or the potential for a banner year, more so in U.S. equity markets. I think bonds will be flat to down, and I would basically be holding more cash if you're an over allocator to the bond market. If you're not a client of our firm, it's time you became a client. Call us for a consultation. Start 2016 off on the right footing. Be stable. Have your portfolio have a chance to grow. And more important, remember, my firm really manages risk well. If you believe in risk management, call my firm for a consultation. There is a difference. Have a safe and profitable week.